You're going to need a small or medium-sized round container, just like this. Make sure the inside and the outside of the container is absolutely clean. Now get you some yellow spray paint or acrylic paint. Paint 2 or 3 layers, making sure each layer is dry, and allow it to completely dry after that. Now trace out the lid on a piece of red craft foam and part it like you would a pizza. Now use a small round container and place it a few inches below each slice and circulate it halfway. After that, cut everything out. Then find a small to medium size Animal Crossing leaf, trace it out on a piece of red craft foam too. Then take both pieces and glue them on top with some tacky glue or some craft glue, and it should look something like this when you're done. Thanks so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram for updates and more. Happy anniversary, Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. Thank you guys so much. Bye.